This fight against this virus now a national effort where everybody is supposed to be participate. But if you look around, to say talk me, but who people them not they take this thing seriously. Because when they say social distancing, but if you see the way people then they rub up and themselves and pass business just to go on as if not to go before. We want for appeal to people them. So do ya all the effort what they make, let them say begin take them seriously. We don't want for this tiaka open your eye in this country. Like how we open your eye and then Whitman country then. We 1,000 person they die per day. We not able for afford that one in this country. So it's fine for them to take them seriously before this sick year become bokup away. So now we want to use this opportunity for appeal to everybody. And also, they want the way they take up different responsibility by this fight against this coronavirus. Let themselves think of the country and think of the people then. If na money then go now for go cook for them people then within a quarantine, use the money for cook for the people in a quarantine. So the people in a quarantine they complain. And person no go dey quarantine, if they come out can't map na at least they talk to people outside. So waiting at the quarantine, na shape then they shape the things. So then careful look at that quarantine day. The last press brief we will talk about this quarantine business. They're not going to take and play. Then careful be very, very serious about this quarantine. The people that are going to quarantine, let themselves feel comfortable for the day. Even pass out and be there now safe. Otherwise, then go on for commodity left and go now. And then for the give them medical attention. Give them medical attention. Then for dinner, place that we get water and toilet facilities and everything. You know, it's also not to say that we will get for 7 months panel. If some we're not going to wait till the thing don't clear we before the thing don't come and bump we before we say we can correct the situation. So anybody within any key position, decision making position, where you see where they bring up them thing there so now because of what the arena go on. So let go to the people that way they take the decision there, the authorities there. Let them go look let's say do ya they were within a quarantine. Not to animal they will come on any side. Now normal ordinary human being like we safe. Some of them not get them, but then they because they want for save we save your life. You know, they say okay, let them submit themselves, let them go check them. That is all. And let them explain things then to tell people and say, not because you positive means say you go die. If people get the idea they're not going to come before safe. Sometimes they go to cough and waiting and go to get the symptom, and you go to hide. So let them explain to people and say, this is a thing where you go through in some kind of process and you can recover. You understand? So people are not get them basic intellect say the information they not reach it. When they work na the gun, now that observation will they make, and we will use every opportunity for send them to the big one the way they take a decision. NGC, we get one statement we say, if you touch one, you touch all. So any Sierra Leonean, where that COVID touch, now we say if we touch,